You guys, I have been so busy getting a super cute new Christmas design ready that I totally forgot to share with you. Gosh, the lighting, guys, we're in the kitchen. All of my Amazon goodies for Prime Days. I am so stinking sorry. Anyway, per my usual, I have a crazy list and then all kinds of randomness too. I found a couple of hoodies. I found a couple of Christmas gifts. I found a couple of toys for my grandbabies. Some of the things that I order regularly from Amazon that are on sale, I'm stocking up. All the bonkers crazy things. So I'm going to share my goodies with you. You'll find the links below in the description of this video, so that if you want to check them out, you sure can, but let me show you what I found. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, let me show you everything that's in my cart, and it's just super duper random. The first thing I have here is a 6,000 piece bracelet making set. I'm going to get two, one for each of my granddaughters, but look at that amazing steal of a deal. Oh my goodness. I'm also going to get an anime mystery plushie for one of my grandkiddos' Christmas gift. Okay, you guys, these two things are hilarious. I'm going to get the Harry Potter Trivia Pursuit and the Lord of the Rings Risk Game for myself. And I'm going to wrap them and put them under the tree and put that there to me from my husband. And that ought to be a hilarious reaction. I'm getting some Avengers for my grandson, some magnetic blocks for my grandsons. Okay, guys, here is the gooseneck phone holder that I use every single time I'm recording a video tutorial for everyone here on YouTube. Definitely grab that if you're in need of that. Here's the selfie stick tripod that I also have sitting on my desktop. The floating shelves that you've seen in my dining room. Look at that % off, guys. Holy smokes. I'm going to get some leggings for my daughter. My favorite Clinique face cream is 32% off. Our favorite dark rose coffee pods. And y'all know that I grab Vital Proteins collagen powder anytime it's on sale, so I've thrown that in the cart. The probiotics that we take daily. My favorite under eye patches for my dark circles. I've got some Premier Protein Shake in the Cafe Latte. I've not tried that flavor yet, so I'm super excited to try that. I am going to get myself a cordless stick vacuum. You guys, my craft room floor is always a hot mess, and I feel like this will do a really good job of picking up all of the little bits that are constantly on my craft room floor. My favorite lotion is part of the sale, so I'm going to grab some of that. I've been eyeballing this hoodie, so I'm going to grab that. My favorite face powder. Some liquid IV for my college son, who definitely needs that on the weekends. A de-shedding comb for my beloved Abel fur baby. Another gift for my daughter, who I mentioned earlier is having a baby in the spring. I'm thinking about getting the Amazon Echo Show 5. If you have that, drop me a comment before the Prime Days is up and let me know what your thoughts are. A baby doll for my granddaughter's Christmas gift. Some curtains I've been eyeballing for my dining room. This is actually a handheld frother, but I use it to mix my matcha lemonade. You can really mix any hot or cold drink with it, and it's super helpful. You guys know I got this exact same rug for my family room, and I love it so much, I'm going to grab another one for our living room. I love this furry beige blanket, and so I'm going to grab one for my husband and I. And that's it, guys. There's my list. It's super random. I hope you enjoyed my sharing. Drop me a comment below and let me know what you're picking up for during this Prime sale. All right, that's it. Bye, guys.